If you are a quantity surveyor, a contractor, or a site engineer, and you're still calculating how many bags of cement you need by hand, you need to stop right now. So we built something that does it for you automatically from your bill of quantity, and in the next 5 minutes I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Now, here is the issue. Every project you price, you're doing the same maths over and over and over again. How many bags of cement for this volume of concrete? How many trips of sand? How many blocks for this wall? And every time someone asks, what's this going to cost? You're rebuilding the whole thing from scratch. Quick thing before I dive in, when you download this, it comes as a zip file. So all you need to do is to find it in your downloads folder, and you right click on it and hit extract. All right, so I'm just going to click extract here. So that's your Excel file ready to go. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to double click on it. So sometimes when you open it, you might get a notification saying enable content at the top. You just click on it and enable content. All right, so we built this material and labor schedule, and everything starts here from the resource rate tab. This is the only place you type a price, labor day rate, material cost, plant and machine hire rate, cement, granite, sand, steel, everything. You fill this once. So for the sake of this, I'm just going to apply certain costs to this. So any currency applies. You can easily change, if you want to print it, you can easily change and then you print it. So what I'm just going to do, I'm going to add some prices here, just going to add some prices and assume that this is the price. So general laborer, which is unskilled, we're going to use the Nigerian naira, and I'm going to put, let's say, 3,500. And then for mason, all right, for mason, and that is the bricklayer, I'm just going to put let's say 6,000 naira. And let's say the carpenter, I'm going to pay 5,000 naira. And then the iron bender, I'm going to pay 6,000 naira. And the electrician, I'm just going to put 6,000. Plumber, 6,000. Painter, let's just put 6,000. All right, so I'm just going to use just this, and let's look at the material. The material for cement, we're just going to put 12,000. And sharp sand per trip, let's just assume that per trip we're going to put so we're just going to put 120,000. all right, 120,000. And for laterite, I'm just going to put, let's just say 50,000. And so let me look for all of any of this. Let's say this granite, we have different types, so we have different types here. So I'm just going to put let's say I'm going to write for the granite chippings, I'm going to add let's just say per trip, I'm going to add that is 50, right? Let's just say 50, or let's say 70,000. So I'm just going to replicate all of this for this, this. All right. So I'm just going to concentrate on the concrete. As you can see, there are other stuff that are here, other types of stuff that you can add here. And then we have the plan section. You know, how much are you renting excavator per hour? You include it. All right, how many hours? And then we have the bulldozer. You could just put all of this rates in here. So I'm just going to assume that per hour we're going to pay let's say 20,000. All right, I think this might be okay. So let's say for concrete mixer, I'm going to put per hour. I'm going to let's still say 20,000. And the concrete pump, let's say per hour 5,000. You know, so let's assume that these are actually the things that we're going to use. So I'm going to go to the top over here, which is the home. I click on this, and another thing is the material constant. So behind the scene, there is a material constant tab. This is where the actual mix ratio lead. How many bag of cement per cubic meter of concrete, how many blocks per square meter of wall, how many trips of sand the truck deliver, standard construction constants, and you can adjust every single one if your site works differently. All right, so let's so now here's where it gets good. We've broken it down into 4 sectors: the building, the roads, the bridges, and marine. Each one follows the actual sequence of a bill of quantity: substructure, frame, roof finishes, that is for the building, all the way through. So I'm going to open my bill of quantity, and you're just going to watch this. So now this is my bill of quantity over here. All right, and I'm just going to pick some sections. All right, I'm going to pick some sections. Let's just say for blinding, let's use blinding basis broad on or 8 meter cube and all of that. So I'm just going to take this, and I will go to and click on this. So I'm just going to look for blinding. As you can see, you already have a lot of this here. So let's say for blinding. Oh boy, okay, so this is blinding. So immediately I put my 8 cubic meter. I am done with this part as far as it's concerned. So I already know that for 8 cubic meter, I'm going to be having 35.52 bags, 0.41 trips, 0.57 whatsoever. And approximately, we're going to use 2.67 days for, this, So you could actually change all of these things from the constant tab or whatsoever. All right. So what else again? Let's look at some of these other ones that assuming right now, let's say on my bill of quantity, I have for site clearance, which is 350 meters square. All I need to do is to come here, 350 meters square, 350, and that's exactly what we might at the end of the day spend. All right. So as you can see, item total 30,625. So you could actually use any currency for this. So this also goes down to let's say your roads, it starts from the mobilization, the clearing, the roadway excavation. Look at the plant excavator there. You have the laterites. You could choose to use any one of this. So this is actually well detailed enough for you to get. All right, and then look at the bridges. We also have for bridges over here. Invest in it so that you get quality. You'll be efficient, professional who can in a way defend himself anywhere. All right. So last but not the least, I think we've not talked about the Bill of Materials tab. All right, so this is actually the marine and every other thing. So I just don't want to make the video too long so that it's not going to be boring. So let's talk about the Bill of Material. It looks like I jumped this. So the Bill of Material, it pulls up every material from every sector automatically and tells you the grand total, how many bags of cement for the whole project, how many trips of sand, tons of steel, you know, everything you need to actually go and order at the end of the day. All right, it's just like we've been able to see that, okay, this is the amount we're going to spend, you know, I mean, for bags of cement 35.52, we're buying this amount of bags and all of that. So, and it's already telling us the amount we're going to spend for the building costs, you know, just because I just did only this. All right, so that's everything you need to know about this template. Now, this is the exact template I use. If you want it, the link is in the description. And if there's a trade you want me to break down for MEP, fire protection, whatever, comment below and I will build it out. So do well to get this template at a very, very discounted rate. But if you can't afford this, we still have the one that is just dedicated for buildings alone. All right. So you could actually get this below and thank me later.